with Terry Peary, General Manager of North Central Region for Mazak Corporation. And Terry, the future of the industry, what's in store for the American Job Shop?
It's such an exciting time for all of us in the industry right now, especially companies like Mazak Corporation who have such a diverse product line of machine offerings. You know, one of the things that's so nice about working for a company like Mazak is we have that simple machine that is the foundation of our product line for our job shops, you know, our small companies that go all the way up to our big multitasking and even hybrid tasking machines that's getting into additive. Such a wide variety of products that we're involved in all the different industries.
The average American manufacturer is somewhat smaller than people generally believe at this point. So for those job shops out there, and we know we're in a growing economy, everyone wants to be bigger than they are right now at this point. Can they go take their knowledge as it stands now, the basic 3+2 or 5-axis sort of couple of machine job shop, and make that leap into production part making?
But the key in what you have to understand is those guys are still looking for that one way to be a little extra competitive, and whether they're competing against people in the United States or still work being done overseas, they're looking at 5-axis, they're looking at automation. With the shortage of skilled labor, it puts a bigger demand, just not on your big, you know, huge companies manufacturing, but even those small job shops. They're looking at trying to find an easy setup automation platform where instead of having these dedicated engineer and PLC writers that can go in and program 5-axis robots, having a simple, easy to program platform, that's huge for those companies. Having 3+2 or 5-axis technology to reduce setups, to get more work on that job instead of taking it out in that non-value added time going from machine to machine to machine. It's huge for even the small companies to start looking ahead and saying, how can I be a little bit different to make me more competitive?
Are you seeing a trend for those smaller to medium-sized companies down there that there's some technology they're falling in love with this year?
Yeah, I think the big buzz that everybody's looking for is all going back to trying to find people. And it's so hard for any company, you know, to go find skilled labor because they're trying to develop their own talent. You hear of companies going back and instead of relying on trade schools, they're trying to do apprenticeship programs, redo those type of initiatives inside. But automation and multitasking still keep being the two hot topics, and that multitasking might not be milling and turning anymore, but that might be integrating additive into a subtractive environment, or that might be friction stir welding on a machine that can also drill holes and cut parts. So it's all the peripherals that we're trying to get elsewhere in the shop, condense non-value added time and get them on one specific machine so that part isn't moved all around the shop inefficiently, and reducing the need for that as many people in the skilled labor.
So if you can't find that extra machinist, get more of your existing.
Correct.
As it stands right now.
And then provide solutions inside of the machine control through our digital solutions, from software, programming, maintenance, all of these other peripherals that can come into play in a digital environment that also alleviates some of that need for additional people that we just can't find right now.
Mazak's Terry Peary says big machine technology is coming to the job shop.